Hey guys, what's up? So as you can see, I'm doing another review today because you can see I'm wearing the same clothes, the same location, but this time is for the Torvol chest rig. So I got this chest rig from Torvol. I'm their ambassador, so basically I get new stuff to test it out. I got this bag from them. I knew about it like a while ago. They already told me before it was released that this was coming. This is a collaboration between Torvol and Dutch Drone Gods, and I mean, I love this thing. I really love this thing. I just cannot actually say how much I love it because it's amazing. I will tell you why. I will tell you why you should get one and the uses. So. Um, why do I love this thing really much is the fact that you basically can like put all kinds of things into this bag while you're on a shoot, where you're like flying FPV. There are so many pockets and places where you can attach stuff. So I'll show you what I use it for. So basically you have it like this. It goes through the back. On the back you have it connected. You can see the Torvo logo. It's looks really good. I was like thinking like, okay, like how would I look if I was wearing this? But I mean, I was on a shoot now, like a big shoot, like for production, and I actually saw that more people were wearing these kind of things because it just makes sense, you know. Like I have in this bag like my ND filters, my HDMI cables, the batteries for my drone, all kinds of things that I need, like power banks, whatever. I was also like what we were doing on the production was that I was actually using like my DJI FPV goggles, and they were connected like to the HDMI out. So I had my DJI goggles, and I had to use those goggles like with the smart controller or the RC Pro, and connect the RC Pro to an SDI output. So the nice thing was so many cables that I had to have around me, and they were connected like into the goggles, from the goggles to the remote, from the remote to the SDI, and I had it all here. So everything was actually stacked there. Like I had like the remote, I had like a power bank, I had like the SDI connector, HDMI cable came out through here, the USB-C cable went out in here. I mean, it was great to work like that because I knew where every single thing that I needed that day was. It was the whole time with me, like this. Like in other situation, you would need like a backpack or someone like that was with you. You could like hand them your stuff, but this was so nice that I could actually just open this bag and I had it. I had what I needed. I had it with me at all times. So I just can't tell you like how amazing of a help this thing is, really. It's not because I'm Torval's ambassador. Torval didn't say to me like, please say nice stuff, whatever. They just told me like, try it and let us know your input. And I have to say, this thing is great. Maybe one thing, you get like this little thing, and this is basically to hang like under it. Then you can take like a FPV radio and hang your FPV radio under the back. I mean, I get the idea, but the problem with that is it's too low. Like when you have it here, it's hanging really low, and it gets a little difficult like to have your radio here, you know. It doesn't make sense. What I think it would have been better if the hanging of this was like somewhere in the middle of the back, then the radio would be like right under it. So in my opinion, I know this was in a collaboration with Dutch Drone Gods, but guys, I mean, this could have been executed a little bit better. Maybe like Torvol, if you make like a V2 of this bag, please put it higher. I know it could be somewhere here in the back, or what, in the back of like the chest rig or whatever, or like if there is like another way, please let me know, because at this point I just didn't figure it out how to put it and how it would actually be really useful for me. So yeah, that's the only disadvantage that I have to say about this chest rig. So please don't take it wrong. That's the only thing that could be changed in my opinion. So as you can see, like inside, I have cables for my FPV goggles. I don't have my FPV drones now with me, but you get like the point, right? Okay, so here in the front you have also like these attachments. These are modular, so you can like buy some attachments that you can use and add some more stuff to it. I didn't know about it, how this worked. I asked my friend like a couple days ago, and he told me like mostly like these army bags, they have this, so you can buy it in an army shop, and you can have like Velcro and whatever and put all kinds of stuff on it. So basically you can also like use this for your remote and put like a GoPro on this, because I have also a clip for a GoPro, so you can clip a GoPro on this. You can like put it down, and you can then have like with your FPV remote, like you know, like the stick view or whatever, how to call that. Okay, so here we have another bag, so you can put whatever you like to put there. I have there some cables and a remote like for my camera, like to start and stop recording now, but it doesn't matter. Okay, here I have ND filters, so you can put them there. Really nice. You have them always with you, because on set or when I'm filming something, I always look for my ND filters. I need to change light changes, whatever. I always looking for my ND filters, and now I have them with me the whole time. Battery for my camera that I'm filming with right now. Really handy. I have that with me. Some other cables there, so cables, cables, cables. Inside I have this microphone for my camera right now, and I just took one with me, FPV battery, so you can put like FPV batteries in it. So like if you're going like for some shot, you don't want to like take your whole bag with you, you're on set and they were like, yeah, we need to shoot this fast, then you can like throw some batteries in there and you can go there. Super good. Also inside you have, like I can show you, like inside the bag you have like all these kinds of attachments and pockets and sleeves, and as you can see here I have a screwdriver. It sits really nice in place. Here on top there's like a little compartment. I have like my prop tool in there. Also you can put all of it in here. Also there is like this little strap kind of thing inside for your keys or your car keys or whatever, so you can also put it there inside and you're sure that you don't lose your keys. Okay, so ND filters for my Mavic. Okay, so I went a little bit lower because the sun was going down and it was getting a little too dark. So yeah, like I said, if you can look inside the bag, you see that you have all these kinds of nice things where you can basically put your stuff. Okay. Also the inside, I like how Torvol started now using this color. The material is super premium. It feels really good, looks really good. Love the green color, the greenish, yellowish color. I basically think this because before the Pro bag, like the big bag that I have, is also called like green yellow, but this is more green. This looks more green, the new color of Torvol, and I love it. It's also, as you can see, here is the new logo of Torvol, and this also looks really nice. Also here on the side you can just click this, and that's how you detach the bag, so you can take it off a little easier, so like that. So here the back side is padded with like some, I don't know, material that kind of breathes, so when you're using it you don't sweat under it. I had this on me like the whole day when I was on set, and I wasn't sweating under it. It's amazing. Like they put this on the website. It was written there like that's some technology, so you don't get really like it doesn't get warm under it. And they were not lying. I mean, this is really true. It really feels good to wear it. So I mean, great job guys. I love this thing. I will keep using it. I think like on every shoot, on every FPV flight that I will go, I will have this thing on me. It looks really awesome. It kind of like some military kind of thing, and I think this thing is amazing. So guys, if you are thinking about buying it, just do it. Just don't think about it, just do it. You will see there are so many uses for this thing. So just buy one, try it. It's not that expensive and it will help you a lot, especially when you're a professional FPV pilot or like a drone pilot or cameraman or whatever. This will really help you. The same if you're going to freestyle and you need all the stuff with you, you don't want to look around in your backpack the whole time for every single thing. This thing is amazing. So, guys, Torvol, thank you for this. You did a great job. Okay, guys, so I hope that you liked this video and that I explained how to use this bag. So if you have some questions, just put them in the comments below. I will take some more photos and videos of this bag later when I'm using it. So thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.